If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, then press the bell button to receive notifications when a new video arrives. And don't forget to click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I'm getting ready to make my Brussels sprouts. The first step is to get a big pot of water boiling, and in that water I'm going to put good amount of salt. To make it as salty as water, I'm going to drain the water, so I have to make it really salty. I think this is good. When the water is boiling, let me prepare my Brussels sprouts. I've already washed them. Just trim the ends, cut them into two. And if there are any of those loose leaves, don't throw them away. They are the yummiest part of the Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are all ready. Some people love Brussels sprouts, some people hate Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts to me is a quintessential beginning of Thanksgiving. And as long as you know how to make them, how to make them interesting and cook well, I think they are great. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make the best Brussels sprouts in the world. And that starts with cutting the Brussels sprouts into half, putting them in the boiling pot of salted water, blanch for about 3 minutes, and then the rest is easy, and I'm going to show you how exactly to do that. I dropped one. The Brussels sprouts are blanched. I'm going to get them away from the stove. And drain them. Prepare my Brussels sprouts marination now, starting with generous amount of olive oil, big tablespoonful of Dijon mustard, some pepper, freshly ground pepper, a tablespoon of maple syrup. You can use honey as well. Get a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. You can also use balsamic vinegar, a little more, and some salt. Remember the salt, we have already blanched the Brussels sprouts in salted water, so we don't need to add a lot. Let's actually no, I'm going to take a bigger spoon to do it. Mix it well. Okay. We get the Brussels sprouts in a bowl. Mix it. Put in a shallow pan. It's 20 minutes and at 425. Brussels sprouts are absolutely gorgeous and ready. Please transfer them to a serving tray. Give it a taste. It's perfectly baked. There's a flavor of the mustard that I put in, salt and pepper and vinegar coming together. So simple, and those little leaves that I left them over here are perfectly caramelized. Seriously, the best Brussels sprouts I had in my life.